What's up, YouTubers? This is Joey Laveau. I'm at the Mccwright Customs garage. So here we have a 67 Fastback Mustang. We have the 53 Dodge D100, a 78 Corvette Daytona. We have a 63 step side, a 75 Nova, a 66 Nova station wagon, and then we have out here a 63 Ford F100. That is a 66 Lincoln Continental with a Cummins diesel motor and a 93 or 95 GMC OBS. I don't know why we had to have 3 orange Chevys, but whatever. There's a 69 Camaro frame, an 87 square body Chevy frame. Anyway, woo-wee. Sunburst orange. Anyway, like, share, comment, send me $1 on my Cash App. Peace out.